out here in beautiful Rattlesnake Bar State Park just outside of Auburn in Northern California, and we're discovering a rare breed. This is what you call a sedan, a four-door sedan. This is the Kia K5 GT line. Now this is the GT line, so it's got 18-inch alloy wheels, it's got the sport bucket seats, the leather bucket seats, and the insignia. So it's really got a lot of extra features that are really nice and very sporty. Keeps up with the sporty line. This is really a great looking car. Back here in the Sacramento Valley after driving the twists and the turns of the Sierra foothills in the 2021 Kia K5 GT line in sapphire blue. This has got a 1.6 liter turbo 4-cylinder engine, 8-speed automatic transmission with 5 drive modes, with a sport drive mode as well as a normal and an eco drive mode. Very nice. You got a lot of safety features. You got the forward collision avoidance, the blind spot avoidance, and the rear cross traffic avoidance system. So it alert you when there are vehicles around you and keep you centered and alert. There's also lane keeping assist that was really nice. You got the driver attention warning, making sure you are focused on driving. It's got smart cruise control. It's got leading vehicle departure warning, letting you know the traffic in front of you has left, it's time to move. The K5 has Kia's now standard 8-inch touchscreen in the middle of the dashboard. Gives you access to your climate controls as well as your nav system and sound system. Of course, you can adapt Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to be able to have functionality of your smartphone right there on that touch screen. It also has an exterior trunk opening, so you hold that down and the trunk pops open. Voila! Kia Smart Key comes with this K5. Of course, it has a wireless phone charger, and I found it to be really handy. It was tucked right down in between the passenger and the driver's seat in a nice cozy little slot, so it really keeps the phone steady and charged as you're driving along. Being a 4-cylinder turbo, you're going to get pretty good mileage in the Kia K5 GT line, and it does not disappoint. Fuel mileage for the Kia K5 is 27 miles per gallon in the city, 37 miles per gallon on the highway. You're going to average out to a combined 31 miles per gallon in the 2021 Kia K5. MSRP in the 2021 Kia K5, $25,390. This had the GT premium package for $1,600, so all told, as tested, $27,955. 2021 Kia K5, sporty, shark-like. Tackle those roads in fun and style. Kia knows how to do things right. It's a great vehicle, good handling, wonderful mileage, great interior. Really appreciate the interior and exterior styling. Very classy. The Kia K5. Maybe mid-size sedans aren't gone after all. When you're going to look like this, you're going to be happy driving a sedan. Go Kia. MSRP for the 2021 Kia K5 is $25,309. Hey, get in my shop, dude. Bees, they don't belong in my shop.